All right, let's build the My TED Talks and Reflections page. First thing we talked about doing was right now it's singular because I used to only have you guys upload your videos at the end of the year, and now I want you to do it mid-year and end of year so we can see your progress. So you just have to hover near wherever your pages appear and click on this blue Edit Navigation. Change it so it says My TED Talks and Reflections. That's it. Make sure you click Save and it will change that for you. Easy peasy. All right, now on this page, just like with everything else, my pages have what the page is called, the heading, and then a horizontal line. So I want all of my pages to have that. I'll do it again on this one. So I'm going to add an element. If there's anything on there already, like it's got cupcakes, bikes, whatever it is, just delete it so that it doesn't appear you don't need it anymore. So this one is My TED Talks and Reflections. Save. Again, just making this look like my other ones. So I've got my header and a horizontal line. My next element that I'm going to add is columns. And then inside of those columns, I'm going to add video elements. Because remember, you're going to have one for your TED Talk and then one for your reflection. If you want to add anything else, I mean, you could always add above this a little welcome to add smaller headings above if you want to specify what each one is. I would make them small, but this would be your mid-year, or you could call it semester, whatever you want, TED Talk. And then above this one, your reflection. Okay, so you'll have to watch the other tutorial for how to upload your video to YouTube, but it is there, and then that's what you would add in here is you would insert that link. I always center them just because I like the look of it. That's totally up to you. But we're going to do this same thing again. So add element. We're going to do columns, add element, video, save, add element, video, save. You can duplicate as well, but with columns, it's actually a bit harder to duplicate, so I don't. All right, I'm going to go between the two columns, and I forgot to add a heading for... Actually, I'm going to do a smaller one like I did above because I like that. So in the column, add element, heading, small, final TED Talk, or you could call it end of year TED Talk, whatever sounds the best to you, looks the best to you. I'm going to call this one Final Project Reflection because you'll reflect on more than just giving the speech, but on the project overall. So now I've got spaces for all of the different things that I want you to have on this page. So if you need to, watch the next video for how to upload your videos from your phone of you presenting to YouTube, and then your reflection you can film with your phone, you can film with your computer's webcam if it's got one. We can find a way to help you do that if you're not sure how, and then submit that way.